Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and for Windows 11 it is of course Patch Tuesday. We are the second Tuesday of November 2024, which means that now we have the mandatory security updates for Windows 11. If you want to install them now, of course they will automatically at some point. You can go to your settings, go into your Windows updates, and check for updates, and they will come in the form of two types of updates depending on 23H2, 24H2. On 23H2, you'll be at KB 5046633. This is going to be the version showing up. And once you are restarted and all is installed, you should be at version 22.631.4460. And on Windows 11, 24H2 comes as KB 5046617, and the version, if you type WinVer, will be version 26100.2314. Now it is to note that I'm having a issue on my gaming laptop where the update fails. So if any of you have a failed update, let me know. I will be checking it out. And so I'm going to start the process of doing a few things to try to have it installed, including removing the cache of my Windows Update in case there's some corrupt files in there. But we'll see. I'm installing it on another machine, which hopefully we'll see if it crashes there too or not. So any feedback of you guys about if it installs right or not is going to be welcome. And if you do have an error message, please leave the error message in the description, in the comments below, sorry. So hopefully it goes well for you, but if it doesn't, we'll, of course, all work together in trying to fix that. So it is today, the Patch Tuesday. Go get your updates. It's important for security reasons, and hopefully things are going to go well. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.